Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Tung Ping Chau.
Ping Chau is located in the easternmost outlying island of Hong Kong. It is a crescent-shaped island, measuring 600 meters long and 2,000 meters wide. It's renowned for string rock formation. Ping Chau is unique in the fact that it is the only sizable island in Hong Kong made up of sedimentary rock. Hong Kong is mostly formed of extrusive igneous rock. Unlike most other rock types across the territory, the island is made up of sedimentary rock, including siltstone, mudstone. There is also a bed of chert, which is up to 1.2 meters thick. The sedimentary rock strata is known as Ping Chau Formation. Ping Chau Formation is the youngest rock in Hong Kong's geological history. It has many fascinating attractions, such as wave erosion, landscape, the shale that resembling a layered spongy cake, and the unusually flat lay of the island itself have drawn thousands of visitors to the islands.
There are some characteristics of rocks formed in Tung Ping Chau. First, clearly defined bedding and distinctive sheet conformation. This is the most significant characteristic of shale. Every layer is 1 to 5 millimeters thick, overlapping each other. The coarser-grained siltstone layers and the thinner-grained mudstone layers have clear lamination and sophisticated structure. These shale beds are believed to date from Late Cretaceous to Early Tertiary. Second, they are attractive and colorful. Shale is usually made up of pyrite, zeolite, and augite. The vivid colors come from micrograined calcium, iron, and magnesium particles that the rock contains.
Now we are going to talk about Tung Ping Chau. Here's the map of Tung Ping Chau. So firstly, Tung Ping Chau is exposed to the coast, and there is a long range of wind, which there are no isolated island to block the wind. So there is a high wave energy and to favor the destructive wave. And the backwash will be bigger and stronger than swash. So it will favor to make some coastal erosional landform. So to start with, I will start with Kang Lau Shek at the sea stack. Let me talk about how the sea stack form. So firstly, it is formed by the sea cave. It starts with a sea cave first. There will be a continuous destructive wave cause further wave erosion. Then the sea cave is enlarged, deepened, and widened. Sea cave breaks through and sea arch is formed. Overhanging part of roof lap of sea arch collapse. Then an isolated island is known as a stack, which is Kang Lau Shek. So to be continued, I will talk about the sea cliff, which is in Shui, and also there will be a Chau Hui, which is a wave cut platform. So let me talk about how a wave cut platform is formed. Originally, it's exposed to headland and sea cliff in there, but after a strong prevailing wind with long fetch, a notch is formed by undercutting and destructive wave. And there is a high tide and low tide, which zone of wave erosion, which is hydraulic action and operation. After the wave sea cliff retreat and overhang part collapse, there is a continuous wave erosion caused by destructive wave. So there will be a wave cut platform is formed. So to continue, I will talk about the長沙灣, which is a beach. Also there is a亞媽灣, which is a pebble beach. So now I'm going to talk about how the beach formed. For the beach, it's different. It's not constructive wave, but it is a constructive wave, which is a depositional coastal landform. Constructive wave brings sediment to the sheltered bay. As the swash is greater than backwash, the rate of deposition is faster than erosion. Longshore drift takes place and sediment transport along the bay. A large area of sediments accumulates and the bay is known as beach.
Lastly, honeycombed weathering occurs in Tung Chau. The high tide or wave approach brings seawater to the rock. Seawater with salt crystals seep into cracks of rocks. Salt crystals are formed after evaporation, growing inside the cracks and exerting pressure on rocks. Pits are formed on the rock surface. And lastly, the honeycomb rock is resulted.